Was a long night, but the SR20 is out. Now we have to break it down into a long block and put it in the S14. Hopefully we'll have it in there by tomorrow. I know I have a messy garage, but it is SR heaven in here. Since my SR20 is out of the S13, now we have to break it down, take basically everything off of it except for the block and head, and put all of these parts back on it because I want to keep all of my high performance parts. He just wants the motor to be stock, so that's fine with me. Alright, got the other motor put back together. This is the long block that basically come out of my car, my S13, and I took all of my parts off of it and installed all of his parts on it. And I also installed a new oil pan, and now I'm going to bolt the transmission back up to the engine and reinstall it in the car. Well, another late night. That's why I didn't do a video last night. We finally got the engine in. Now time to hook everything up, get it running. Guy's gonna pick it up in a few hours. First start up. Up and running. Got a little wet, it's raining a little. The guy's gonna love this. The sweet engine.